Hello students, my name is Bhushan Deshmukh. Today we are going to learn about linear equation and quadratic equation. Before understanding these two terms, first we have to understand what is meant by equation. In mathematics, equation means it is a statement of equality of two algebraic expression which involve one or more unknown quantities. Right? Now, what does it mean? Consider two algebraic terms. For example, consider x square plus 7 and x plus 5. Right? Here, the statement of equality, right? That is, these two terms are equated by is equal to sign. Then this complete term is called an equation. Right? This is the mathematical statement of equality. Right? Here, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, you can take one more example, that is y square plus 6 is equal to x plus 3. Right? It is also an equation, right? Because this is the statement of equality. Here is equal to sign is used, therefore this is also an example of equation. Right? Now, second important thing is variable. What is meant by variable? Variable means anything that keeps on changing. Right? Anything that changes according time to time, situation to situation is called as variable. Right? In mathematics, the variables are denoted by alphabet. It is denoted by alphabets. Right? And variable are used to find out unknown quantities. Right? And variables are used to find out unknown quantities. Right? For example, x square plus x is equal to 3. Right? In this equation, x is used as a variable. Right? Consider one more example, that is x plus y is equal to 7. Here x and y are variable. X comma y are variables. Right? That are used to find out the unknown values. Right? Now let's understand what is meant by linear equation and quadratic equation. Linear equation and quadratic equation. Right? Linear equation means an equation with variables having degree of variable is 1. Right? Now, what is meant by degree? Degree means highest power of variable. Highest power of variable. Right? Now, consider an example. X plus y equal to 7. Right? Here, the highest power of x is 1. The highest power of y is 1. Right? Therefore, the degree of this variable is 1. Right? Therefore, this equation is called as linear equation. Right? X plus y equal to 7 is linear equation. And this is linear equation in two variable, as there are two different variables are used. Right? Now, y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable, as it is, as here the only one variable is used. Right? And here the highest power of variable is 1. Therefore, it is called as linear equation. Right? Now, let's understand what is meant by quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means an equation with variables having degree of variable is 2. Right? Now, example of quadratic equation are x square plus 2x is equal to 0. Right? Here, the highest power of the x is 2. Right? Therefore, it is an example of quadratic equation. Similarly, x square plus 5 equal to 0. It is also quadratic equation. Y square plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Right? These are the example of quadratic equation. As here the highest power of the variable is 2. Right? Now, what are the methods of solving linear equation? Methods for solving linear equation are, first one is elimination method. Elimination method, there are also two methods. First one is by equating coefficient and by substitution method. Right? Second method is graphical method. And third one is Cramer's rule. It is also called as determinant method. Right? The methods of solving quadratic equation are first one is by factorization method. Second one is by square completion method. And third one is by using Sridharacharya method. Okay. Thank you, students. In next lecture, we will learn how to solve word problem based on linear equation and quadratic equation. Okay.